Hey there, it's Isabella. Today I'm excited to share my experience using the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G, a mid-range smartphone that has become my go-to device for the past few weeks. As someone who lives in the hustle and bustle of Makati, I need a phone that can keep up with my fast-paced lifestyle. And let me tell you, the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G has been an awesome companion. From checking my emails to taking stunning photos to making client calls, this device has been a reliable and useful tool for all my daily tasks. In this video, I'll be showing you how I use the phone in my everyday life and sharing my thoughts on its design, display, performance, camera system, and battery life. So, if you're in the market for a powerful and capable smartphone, then you're in the right place. Before we start with the review, don't forget to check the link in the description box below to see our full review. Alright, let's dive in and see what the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G has to offer. You'll immediately notice its slim and modern profile with a flat back and slim bezels. It's a really attractive phone that feels great in your hand. One thing I did notice is that the glass at the back does tend to catch a lot of fingerprints, but it's easy to clean off with a simple wipe. Another unique feature of the phone is the fingerprint sensor that doubles as a power button. It's a really convenient way to unlock and turn on the device with just one touch. I'm really impressed with the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G's design. It's user-friendly with well-placed buttons and speakers and has a premium feel to it thanks to the Gorilla Glass 5 front and back and the aluminum frame. It's a great phone to hold and use for long periods of time. This device features a beautiful 6.67-inch FHD plus Flow AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and DCI-P3 wide color gamut. This display is bright and vivid with rich and vibrant colors that make everything pop. Whether I'm watching a video or scrolling through social media, the display provides a reliable experience with sharp and clear details. Speaking of the display's 120Hz refresh rate, it really makes a difference when it comes to scrolling and animations. Everything feels smooth and snappy, making for a seamless user experience. The Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G also features dual speakers that provide clear and loud sound, making it a great device for media consumption. But it's not just about media consumption. The device's speakers and microphone are also great for communication. The speakers are clear and loud, making it easy to hear whoever you're talking to. And the microphone picks up your voice accurately, ensuring that you can be heard clearly. The Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G's performance is excellent, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 processor. The device is fast and responsive. It can handle multitasking and demanding apps and games without any lag or delays. This makes it a great device for both work and entertainment. I use the device for a variety of tasks, from checking my email to working on spreadsheets and documents to creating designs on Canva. It's great to have a device that can keep up when I experience busy days. The Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G packs a powerful triple camera setup that delivers vibrant and detailed photos. The 50-megapixel main camera on this Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G lets me snap amazing shots, even in tricky lighting. I can get vibrant, detailed photos that make me feel like I'm really depicting the scene. And the 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 2-megapixel macro lenses give me so much flexibility. I can go wide to get an expansive landscape or close in a tight for some gritty details. As someone who enjoys unwinding at the local park while also creating content for social media, the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G is a great companion to my creative pursuits. The device's camera system captures vivid colors and clear details, even in bright sunlight. The Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G has a 5000 mAh battery that provides decent battery life even with heavy usage. As a heavy phone user myself, I appreciate not having to worry about running out of battery in the middle of the day. The 67 watts turbo charging feature ensures quick charging times taking under 15 minutes to fully charge the device. This is especially useful for users who need their phone to last throughout the day but don't have a lot of time to wait for it to charge. While classified as a mid-range smartphone, the Redmi 12 Pro 5G sets itself apart with its impressive features. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 processor, provides speedy and efficient performance, allowing for seamless multitasking. The 6.6-inch FHD plus AMOLED display is visually stunning, offering immersive and vibrant visuals. The camera suite is equally notable with the 50-megapixel IMX766 main sensor that captures detailed and vivid images even in challenging lighting conditions. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 2-megapixel macro lenses offer versatility and flexibility when capturing different types of shots. The battery life is my favorite part, and as well as the quick charging capabilities with its 67 watts turbocharge. If you're in the market for a new device, the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G is a great choice for anyone who values high-quality photography, fast performance, and reliable battery life. It offers a great balance of features, capabilities, and price, making it a device that provides solid value for its price point. That concludes our review of the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and news. Thanks for watching!